Take a look at this tooth. A diagonal fracture runs from the edge of the tooth down to the gum line. Been like this for years. Many people would have thought this tooth was beyond repair. We see it differently. First, the fractured surfaces are cleaned. Old stains, decayed edges. Everything is removed. The surface is meticulously prepared so the composite can bond properly. Now an acid gel is applied. Tiny pores open up, and the surface becomes roughened. Then comes the bonding gel. This step is the foundation of everything. Without bonding, there is no restoration. And the construction begins. Layer by layer of composite resin. A dentin shade at the bottom. An enamel shade with natural light transmission at the top. Each layer hardens in seconds under light. The tooth is reshaped, the fracture is closed. The final step is shaping and polishing. A diamond burr smooths the surface, followed by polishing discs that make the surface shine like a mirror. And here is the result. No fracture. No trace. Just a flawless tooth. No extraction, no crown. Pure composite restoration. Don't forget to follow us for transformations like this. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.